along and sing with me. Let's explore from A to Z. Every letter brings surprise, with animals fun and full of life. A is for ant with a backpack so small, marching through the garden having a ball. B is for bear with a book on his knee, reading in the shade of a big oak tree. C is for cat in a hot air balloon, flying through clouds singing a tune. D is for dino who's ready to play, dancing with balloons on his birthday. E is for elephant splashing with cheer, spraying pond water far and near. A, B, C, come sing with me. D, E, F, we're learning with glee. Every letter, big and small, has a friend, we'll meet them all. F is for foxes with picnic treats, under the trees where sunshine meets. G is for giraffe with a paint-filled pail, painting rainbows on the wall with her tail. H is for hippo, sliding in the mud, laughing and splashing with a happy thud. I is for iguana on a beach so wide, wearing cool shades with the ocean tide. J is for jellyfish, bright and round, floating with fish where treasures are found. K is for kangaroo with a kite in the breeze, flying it high above the trees. L is for lion with crayons in hand, drawing up dreams that are oh so grand. M is for monkey in a candy tree swing, twirling and laughing, what a magical thing. N is for narwhal on the northern lights, swimming with dolphins on magical nights. O is for owl with a wise little face, reading bedtime stories in a cozy place. K, L, M, now N, O, P. So many animals for us to see. Every letter fun and bright, come along, we're learning right. P is for penguin in snow so deep, playing the piano with a happy beat. Q is for quail so quiet and shy, peeking from flowers as bees buzz by. R is for rabbit who is quick on his feet, racing a turtle down a sunny street. S is for squirrel in the night's dark gleam, collecting stars like in a dream. T is for tiger in the jungle so neat, brushing his teeth, what a funny feat. U is for unicorn jumping with glee, over the rainbow sparkles wee. V is for vulture in a vest, delivering mail on a desert quest. W is for whale blowing bubbles so sweet, heart-shaped and happy in the ocean deep. X is a xylophone bright and loud, played by animals drawing a crowd. Y is for yak in yellow boots, splashing through rain in joyful pursuits. Z is for zebra, star of the show, dancing on stage with a talent glow. Now we've sung from A to Z, with animal friends for you and me. Clap your hands and shout hooray, let's sing the alphabet every day.